We are star. Real star.
I can't take this anymore, Clumsy.
What can't you take anymore, Beatrice?
I can't control my desire for you anymore. Ever since that morning, in the kitchen, when you held me, I can't get my mind off you.
Really?
Oh, Clumsy,
Yeah.
stop the talking and just ravish me.
Maybe it's a sign. Dreams are signs, right? Yeah. You want me just as much as I want you, don't it, Beatrice? In the morning, I'll win my sweetheart's love.
Hi! Camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than.
I'm precious. When you go to the restaurant later for me, see, make sure it's clean. And you see that like a brown girl up there, try not make sure burn up the soup. Oh, the red stripe truck coming. See if you can sort that out for me as well. Eh?
So be it. You're not coming to the restaurant
Later, man, later.
By the time you move uptown, you barely want to know work.
And that, you know, precious. You see, whether burn nephew coming in from Africa and I want to cook up a storm for him, you know. Why aren't you going to join us?
Oh, Trevor? Trevor is not really the going out type, you know.
Have mercy from me. I hear about this wonderful Trevor. I not get a chance to meet him.
You know, so some man stay already.
Well, you must try and drag him out sometime, you know, make him know what good food tastes like.
Just like how Wedderburn carry you everywhere, eh?
What do you mean by that?
You're trying to apologize or not?
I think I was precious.
No. Because all you're doing is just casting aspersions for me and Trevor relationship.
Aspiration? Precious, when can we pass that place, eh? Me not like when me and you not talk, you know, man.
Well, when you stop going like ignoramus.
Ignoramus? How you know then the big word, the precious?
So, me can use big word too?
Hi, lad. Me not mean nothing, precious.
Beatrice, my sweetheart.
Sweetheart?
You were in my dreams last night.
You come back here with this foolishness?
It's destiny, my love.
No man, something must in the uptown water up here because the whole of them are there now.
Clumsy. It was a dream. And this middle-aged woman will kick you, wait at you.
Well, you should hear what the other middle-aged women are saying about what I can do.
Other middle-aged woman?
Oh yeah, baby. I'm a love machine.
Clumsy, get out of my kitchen.
Okay.
All right.
I will win your affection one day.
Mister, get out of my kitchen, man. Get out.
Why are you so hesitant to make me your manager?
Why you so hesitant to be my father?
Look, there's enough things you wouldn't understand.
I understand that mommy would kill me if she ever see we together.
Yeah, but things are not what your mother make them out to be. I know me one guilty.
What do you mean?
Thank you. We can talk about this another time. Right now, you're in bigger problems. There's a whole heap of dirty people in the industry, and Grabs is one of them, don't it? And you're having problems with the money, don't?
Actually, Grabs is finding an investor.
You mean to sign up to a label or to a music company?
Well, no. Like,
So you ever meet this investor?
you know, no right for a question, Mr. You know.
All right. It just sounds like share the business to me.
What you know about this music business?
Look here. You know how many nights I spend outside Coxon's studio just waiting for a chance to go into that studio?
Yeah?
Yeah. Let me tell you something. One day, I was outside at Studio One, and I just wanted a glimpse to go inside. Just a glimpse to see Prince Buster in action.
So, what happened?
Coxon see me and say, "Look at you, what you doing outside my studio?" I said, "I want to make a Studio One record, sir."
So, what happened?
Well, one morning I'm out there. I get to work inside there, you know, cleaning up the equipment and that kind of thing.
So, you didn't spend 1 minute in the booth?
Yes, man, I spend plenty minutes inside the recording booth, cleaning off the microphone before and after every recording session.
Well, Grabs put me in a studio for record, which is more than I can say for you.
Yeah, but Grabs, I use your money to pay the people on the radio to play your music. When I could have do that for you for free. I know people.
But Grabs, you know people too.
Yeah, but Grabs are using your money. You know something? Make we take a drive.
To where?
To Jamaican musical studio history.
I know Jamaican musical history.
Eh? Name some studio.
Studio One. Tough Gang.
Yeah, but they don't make studios like that anymore.
What do you mean? Studio is studio.
How you mean?
Studio is studio. Plus my studio have better and newer equipment than all in place.
Yeah, but does your studio have soul? Does it have people walking through it that give the music a spirit and a movement? Or is only your kind of music you can make for yourself?
You know what? I have to go home. My man nephew coming from Africa, so we have to be there.
Not all bad of a man.
That old bat is a better father than you.
All right.
That if you know.
Why you can't cut me some slacky, man?
To what?
All right.
So, you sure you have enough food, Beatrice?
Yes, mommy. You get a message you had me eating in days?
Beatrice is simply preparing a meal with enough culinary diversity to satisfy our international guest, who no doubt has a varied palate.
Thank you, Clumsy. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Clumsy.
Oh, Clumsy, you are so intelligent.
Shouldn't they be here already?
Oh, they are here. You just control yourself from here. Step right this way.
You, sir, are trying to steal my swagger. This is my nephew, Prince Zimbu.
Hello, I am Prince Zimbu from the bush in Africa.
Well, let us all welcome Prince Zimbu from the bush, you said?
Yes, the bush is a tiny country in Africa with many villages. All the women in my village are my wives, except the babies and the children, of course.
Well, you know, I didn't know whether you'd be hungry or not, so I just prepared a couple of meals here for you.
Isn't couple too?
Yes, it is, Zimbu.
I see more than a couple dishes.
Zimbu, have a seat.
Are you excited to be in Jamaica?
Right, pressure, pressure.
Control it, listen, man.
Precious. He is African. Not a 6-year-old.
It is okay. I am very happy to be here in the land of dancehall and reggae.
You like dancehall?
Yes, I am DJ.
African DJ.
It look like you two have something in common. You know, maybe you could do that recording thing at the studio one day, eh? Or
Boss a tune for them. Boss.
Well, it has been a long flight and my throat is...
Lux, man, Lux. Leave the man, him just coming in from the bush. Make him rest like, you know?
You will hear my lyrics very soon. I have CD I have made.
Well, I have a studio around the back still, you know? We're ready. You just link me.
Don't you just love it when everybody gets along?
Yeah, well, you see this weekend, you should come to the party on the corner. Come bless up the place.
Will the fine Jamaican ladies be there in their skimpy clothes with their firm backside?
Oh yeah. Older ones too.
Well, let's eat.
Is what? It sounded urgent on the phone.
I need some help. And I turn into you because I trust you.
Anything for you, Hype. Just say the word.
Well, my father's back, as you know.
Yeah, he was by La Ben's corner.
Well, he has had some observations about Grabsy.
Observations? So wait, you been talking to your father? You want your mother string up between your leg and drop into the dump?
I have questions I need answers for. And my mother not answering them. So let's keep this to yourself.
This conversation never happened.
Good. I need you to keep an eye on Grabsy for me.
Grabsy? I thought you'd want me to watch your father.
Nah, man. I'm good. I have an eye on him.
Mine, you know.
Franga, I'm a friend. No.
What exactly am I looking for?
In birthmark.
Ew!
Dirty dealings. Grabsy walking a thin line, you know. I want to know what I'm really up to.
You just be careful. You and your father.
You hungry? Mummy have some wicked curry goat in the kitchen, you know.
You're feeding me?
Yeah.
I could get used to this.
Come
Official Benzly Hype Stars. Me and Mi Kru, Army G, bless up, you know. We're there, son. If you want Me and Mi Kru stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype, just get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link here. You understand? This is the official people, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, you don't know. You know, wait for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. You don't know. See?